Welcome, in front of me is a HUAWEI GX8, and today I will show you how to format the SD card in this device. So to get started, you want to open up Settings app, which is located either here as the icon of a gear, or when you pull down the notifications and go into shortcuts, you'll find it also right here. So once you're in the settings, you want to tap on storage, which is right up here. Scroll down to your SD card, which for me is the one right here. And then all you need to do is tap on erase SD card. Gives you a message that every data on it will be lost. So if there's something that you would like to back up, you might want to do it before you begin. Otherwise you will just permanently lose it. But assuming you don't want to keep it, or you already have done that, all you need to do is tap on erase SD card, erase everything, and the process will begin. That's a fairly quick one. It just takes several seconds, and I think it's already done, or not yet. So there it is, and it's done. And the card is immediately ready to be used once more. So that is how you erase the SD card. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.